Yesterday there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane.
Hello everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Kevin. Today we are doing a honey glazed sausage. I have some smoked farmer sausage. That's the sausage we bought from Elroy down in Winkler, and this is a local farmer sausage made in Winkler. So we have that, and the glaze is going to be half a cup of ketchup, a quarter cup of honey, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon freshly grated ginger, 1 tablespoon of hot sauce of choice, so whatever hot sauce you want. They usually use sriracha, 1 teaspoon of sesame seed oil, and then 2 packages of smoked sausages cut into about 1-inch slices. And then in the pan, roughly 2 teaspoons of olive oil and 4 to 5 cloves of garlic, which is minced. So we're just going to chop up our sausages first. And with that, we're doing fried vegetables, which are in the oven right now.
Roasted vegetables.
Roasted. What did I fried? Roasted, which are in the oven right now. And then we're also going to do some rice. But I just want to get the sausage going and cooked up. Started cooked here. So I'm going to do this first, and then I'm going to make up the sauce. Time to make the sauce. Alright. So this will be the half a cup of ketchup. Quarter cup of honey. Okay. I'll have to throw this in the microwave for 30 seconds and we'll be back. Now, we're going to do grated ginger. Okay, I peeled the ginger. It says roughly a tablespoon. And then a tablespoon of hot sauce. And I'm using Frank's Buffalo. And a teaspoon of the sesame seed oil. Oh, and 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. And now you just gotta go stir up the meat. Teaspoon is dirty, so I'm gonna have to do 4 of these. Yeah, that is it for the sauce. I'm gonna continue to cook up the meat and add in the sauce. So I think when I'm ready to add the sauce in, I'll bring you over to this stove. All right, time to add in the sauce. Get all the sausage all covered up. We're going to throw a lid on that because our rice isn't quite finished. So once we're ready, we'll reach over at the table.
Good? I don't know yet. I had cabbage first.
Yeah, it's good.
Okay. So here's we got our roasted veg and some farmer sausage. Everybody's got their plates there. Yum. All right. So Len and Dorothy come in for supper tonight because Kevin's got to be up at 3 o'clock on Sunday morning. So Saturday night's not going to be a late night. So it's Thursday night. You guys are seeing this Tuesday. All right. We'll see you you later. Thanks for joining us. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.